Hi everybody, here we are in Science and Art. I've got some wonderful things here that I picked up in my yard. Have you ever noticed all the colors? Maroon, white and yellow, green, of many different shades of green, pink, and textures, fluffy, smooth, a little prickly, a little rough and hard. So many different things we can find in nature. I thought it might be fun to create some imaginary woodland fairies and elves out of these things. So I got some pieces of paper ready, and I'll glue and tape some down. Let's see what I'll begin with. Maybe with the brown one. This might make nice hair for the brown one. And tape would be best. Yes, that's looking really good. Now, this one needs a nose. Do you like this as a nose? That would be funny, right? A big, long nose. And how about some eyes? Ooh, those are great, right? I think I'll glue those ones down. One, two, and now some teeth. How about these wood chips? Would they make good teeth? He's a happy wood sprite. There, that looks good. Okay, now, how about a green one? Would these flowers make good eyes? They're rhododendrons. Oh yes, that's going to be nice. One, two. That's a good nose. Now, let's see. Do you like that fern for the mouth? Maybe this one? Maybe this one. Oh yes, that one was just right. Sometimes we have to try things and decide. And I thought maybe take that stem off. Oh, that's a wonderful mouth. Another smile. Now, the hair for this one could be how do you like that? How should we do it? Like that, right? I like that. They're kind of funny, aren't they? There you go. There's our green sprite. And finally, let's make a pink one. Now for eyes. What do we have? Oh! How about this clover? Nice. Here we go. One clover. And another clover. There. It's like she has eyelashes. Maybe we'll add another clover. And then she looks like she has eyelashes. That's fun. Two more. One, two. Next to nose. Oh, I like this up here. It's sort of a crown. We try things out and we see where they look best. That's nice there. But I still didn't find a nose. Whoa, look at that. Do you like that for a nose? I do. And finally, we need a mouth. Let's see. Lovely, just right. Bend the petals down a little bit. There. Oh my goodness. Fantastic. Oh. One more thing. Shall we give her long hair? Look how long. And And she's done. Wow. Let's clear everything away so we could see our creations. 1, 2. Here's our last one with the long hair. Whoa, amazing. Wow, that was fun, exploring nature and creating something from our imaginations with it. I hope you have fun doing this project at home. Bye for now.